Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northeast of Lillian Bridge to near Pensacola Bay, moving southwest at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Pensacola Bay, Big Lagoon, Pensacola Pass, Perdido Bay, Fort Pickens, and Wolf Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area and Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound.